Good morning children. Myself Anuja Deshpande is here to continue science revision. Okay. Already you have gone through the give one word answers like name the following. Now I am discussing fill in the blanks. Okay. From the most of the chapters I have covered fill in the blanks. The process of obtaining food necessary for good health and growth. You know children, already food is necessary for health as well as growth also. Okay. That process is called nutrition. Is called nutrition. You know nutrition. Okay. The process of obtaining food or consuming food for our health and growth. That process is called nutrition. You know most of the nutrients we are consuming in the form of food. That process is called nutrition. And second one, dash are called body building foods. You know children already, growth. Okay. Body is built with which nutrient? That is proteins. Okay. Proteins are called body building foods. Third, the indigestible fibrous material present in any food is termed as dash. That is roughage. You know already, fibrous food, all the cover or peel of the fruits and vegetables, even cereals, they contain a fibrous material that is called as a roughage. Now, fourth, the amount of space occupied by a body is called dash. It is volume. You know children, amount of space in a glass or in a tumbler, in a pot, whatever space available to fill the substance, okay, in a body, in any body, it may be box. That space is called as what? Volume. It is called as volume. Next, dash is considered as a universal solvent. You know solvent, the liquid or it may be solid, one which dissolves the other substance. So here water is called universal solvent. Since most of the substances dissolve in water, water is called universal solvent. Okay. So dash is considered as a universal solvent, that is water, because of its quality. Now next, mixtures in which the particles of the substances present cannot be seen. Okay. Particles of the substances which are already mixed, they cannot be seen. Such mixture is called, or such mixtures are called dash, that is homogeneous. You know children, homogeneous means single. They look like a single substance. Okay. Even though it is a mixture, it looks like a single substance. That is why it is called homogeneous mixture or mixtures. Next, a single substance of a definite composition. A definite, same composition will be there. So, and a single substance is there. That is called, such substances are called pure substances. You know children, pure substances are called elements. Okay. Same composition they will be having. That is why a single substance of a definite composition. Definite composition will be there. Same H2O in water. So everywhere composition remains same in water. So that is the meaning of definite composition. That is called pure substance. Now next, the process of separating grains from sun-dried stalks. Okay, that you know children, grains are separated, taken out, okay, from the stalks. You know jowar, wheat, rice, from their stalks, sun-dried stalks, the stem, okay, the plant part is removed and the grains are taken out. That process is called threshing. Okay, the grains are taken out from the sun-dried stalks. Okay, the stem and leaves parts are taken or removed from the plants and the only grains are separated. That process is called threshing. Okay, and next, the process of changing vapors. You know, vapor stage. It is a gaseous stage of any substance. That gaseous stage is converted to liquid form or liquid stage of any substance on cooling. That process is called condensation. You know, on condensation, vapors are converted into liquid state. Okay. And next, solution of any substance in water is known as aqueous solution. You know, aqueous word or aqua word stands for water. So any substance, when it is dissolved or a solution is made by using water other than other substances, okay, then that solution is called aqueous solution, in which water is used as a solvent. So such solution is called aqueous solution. And irreversible change, you know children, already you have studied reversible and irreversible changes. It is a irreversible change and also it is a permanent. It is also a permanent. Such a change is named as dash change. That is chemical change. You have studied already physical change and chemical change. It is a permanent and it is a irreversible also. Read the questions carefully and then only write the answer. Don't get confused. Okay. Next, the plants with weak stems that spread on the ground. You know, weak stems. They can't stand erect, means stand straight. They just take the support of the ground. So such plants are called, you know already, since lower classes you are studying, that is they are called creepers. They are called creepers. Next, the portion of the plant above the ground, you know, the two portion or the two systems are there. One under the ground, that is root system, and the system which is above the ground, that is called shoot system. You know already the plant has got two systems, shoot system. Next, the arrangement of veins in a leaf. You know, you might have observed leaf, okay, that structure or the design, okay, arrangement, any kind of arrangement, that is called venation. So it is called leaf venation, okay, that is arrangement of veins. You know, a hair-like structure in the leaf, that is called vein, midrib and veins. So that arrangement is called venation or leaf venation. Next, flowers are developed into fruits. You know already, it is a change, natural change. Flowers are converted to fruit. By which process? And also they grow again seeds in them for the next plants to grow. The reproduction process is continued. But this flowers developed into fruits process, it is only by the pollination, or that process is called as pollination. Next, you know, joints. At joints, the bones are held together by a tissue or soft tissues, what they are called as ligaments. The tissues are called as ligaments. You know, at the bone joints, okay, there is a soft tissue present, that is which held, bones are held together by the tissues called ligaments. Next, the plants that grow under very poor water conditions, means, you know, the scarcity of water, no water or less water available. Example, or we can say they are desert plants. Okay, desert plants are also called as what? Xerophytes. They have given a name called xerophytes. Okay, the plants which grow under very poor water conditions, or they are just as good as desert plants, are called xerophytes. Next, a place where an organism lives. You know, every organism have their own living place. Okay, that place is called as habitat. Next, the unit that could be used everywhere as a basic unit. Okay, everywhere, universal wise it is used. That unit of measurement is called what? Standard unit. It is called standard unit. You have studied already the standard units of measurement. Standard unit of length is meter, etc. like that. Okay. Next, the movement of a body along a straight line. You know, different motions you have studied. Okay, but along a straight line, if the body is moving, then it is called as dash. It is called as linear motion. You know, line. On a straight line it is moving. It is called linear, or one more word is there, rectilinear. Both are same, okay? Linear motion simply also we can say, or you can write rectilinear motion. Both are correct. Next, the motion which repeats itself. In this motion, what will happen? Which repeat itself in a regular interval of time. You have studied already. Example, the hands of a clock, okay? A swing. So, at a regular interval of time is called dash. That is periodic motion. That motion is called periodic motion. Next, the small and rapid oscillations. You know, children, in the case of the string of a violin, it is very fast and rapid. Okay, that such type of oscillations are namely called as what? Vibrations. They are called as vibrations. You know, vibrations of a string. Okay, vibration of a hands of a tuning fork. Okay, they start vibrating. Next, the phenomenon in which a light ray returns. When you make a light ray to fall on a smooth surface or a mirror, then what happens? It returns back to the same medium. That process is called as what? Reflection. You have studied already. What is reflection? Light ray from any smooth polished surface, it returns back to the same medium. That process is called reflection. Okay. Then like that, middle of the lesson, important sentences and do you know, all you go through. I have covered almost all lessons, but still fill in the blanks can occur. Go through them and make them perfect. Okay. Thank you very much.